Oh, Lord. I'm going to hold it to it, though, because that sounds very, very yummy.
Bad.
All right, guys. Here's a trend resurfacing on social media about red flags in relationships. It's making the rounds presently on Twitter as memes. And we want to talk about what a red flag is and some situations that we consider as red flag situations, right? Director and head of events stylist at As You Wish Events, Anise Williams, joins us for this red hot conversation. Good morning.
Good morning.
Annie, so we're going to start it this way. Which school you used to go?
I used to go Meadowbrook.
All right.
What is that?
Okay.
You can't just give her a red.
No, I
Oh,
can't
it's a green flag. Oh, gosh, you got Meadowbrook.
Yeah.
All right, cool. That's fine.
If you say Andrews now, red flag.
Anise, what is
No Andrews.
Anise, I see them pressuring a lot of people now with this red flag, green flag thing. It's like everybody's expectations. Some of it is really through the roof. Like I said, boy, calm down. It don't merit a red
Right?
flag.
It's wild. Some
Yes.
of them are wild.
Yeah, but I mean, why has it, re-emerged really? And let's talk about its applicability to relationships.
I think it's so, the memes are going all over the place, and I think that's just because so many persons can relate to so many of them. I'm not sure how it stemmed and how it came back up, but I think they're pretty funny and they're literally everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, they're literally everywhere.
Yeah.
But I think they're so relatable, and that's the reason why we're not coming off of it.
Yeah, I think also, and if you share the same sentiments, people are bored. There's not much to do, and then you go and you look back at your past relationships and see X picture and say, "Boy, what did I think?"
I was a yamed.
Red flag.
I really was a yamed.
But for you, what are considered some red flags situations in a relationship?
Definitely if you're dismissive. If I have an opinion on something and I felt a way about something and I expressing that to you and you're just like, oh, you're being dramatic, or yeah, let go of that now or whatever, that's automatic like red flag for me because you don't care how I feel.
If I say okay in that instance, is that dismissive as well? Like,
You just say okay and I want to talk about it. I think it's dismissive.
No,
Red
you
flag.
can continue speaking about it, but I'm just saying, okay, I understand. Is that fine?
It might just depend on. I have to see a tone and all.
Fire
of your
brigade
gestures and all
type
that.
red, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Red.
No. It depends, because maybe you're just trying to shut me up so you can move on.
Red flag for that, honestly. Cannot
I got you,
agree.
I got you.
Anyways, we have some memes to show, Anise. I don't know if you can help us with them. Let's see some screenshots, actually, of what we took. And we can find out whether or not yeah. Okay, I'm separated. You mean married? Red flag.
I agree, red flag.
Why?
Because I think every man automatically separated and have
hold
a
on.
problem.
But hold on. You just said every man. What about women who are separated?
I speaking from the angle, I know.
No, we're just we're going across from both sides. Just your opinion.
Both sides.
Yeah, man, just your opinion.
Yeah.
Well, I don't really.
The one that ticklish,
It
Anisha.
is.
Because Anise, I'm so sorry, why am I calling Anisha? Anise, the one that ticklish. Let me tell you why. It really comes down to the people who are involved sometimes. And sometimes divorce take a little while to come through, and you actually have both couples who have amicably decided
Separated.
that we're done with what we're going to move on with life and we can be all right. In fact, your person and me can actually, we're cool, and everybody can come to dinner and talk.
Nope. No. Not in my cabinet.
Well,
What?
if you're separated and you're fine, then we're supposed to can do that, because I'm gonna need every single piece of evidence to show me that you separated from
And then
who
we
you
can
say
say
you
everybody healthy
separated
and all
from.
right. So no toxicity here. So,
Interesting.
anyways, we have more. Let's go.
Interesting. I like that. I like your input. I like your take. I don't have male friends because it's less drama.
I don't think that is a red flag.
I only have male
friends,
friends because it's,
So
this is from,
yeah,
it's
so
from a
the
man's
female
perspective.
Those are what female saying that.
Yeah, I don't think that's a red flag.
No one, a female saying that, 'cause men, we don't bring drama.
Oh, well,
We
if a
don't
woman
bring
has said that, me can
No,
understand.
we don't
things.
bring
So,
drama.
yeah, I can
Yeah,
understand.
I don't think that's a red flag.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we don't bring drama. You know where drama comes from?
How, would that be a red flag for you though, as a man?
If she
if
said-
a woman is saying to you, I
Him
only
say
have
green flag.
Okay,
Green.
good.
We
All
go
right,
for
good.
No, man,
good.
we go for it.
Good guy.
Because we not bring drama, you know. We
Next.
want them bring the drama. Bring the drama.
I'm ready in 5 minutes.
But tired to hear that. That is a red flag. And
Listen.
at the first time you hear that, we're done.
Red flag
I
is
just
me.
think that
I
is
am red
nature.
flag.
Anis, what?
That is just nature.
No.
I
just
am red
already-
flag. Red flag is
No.
me. I'm a walking red flag when it comes on to that ready in 5 minutes.
Anis, if we're going
You know we can't get ready
No,
in 5
yes,
minutes.
no,
So we have
then why? No, man.
Dwayne,
Don't
it is
tell-
impossible for a woman to get ready in 5
Exactly,
minutes.
so don't say it.
Yeah, but it's a thing to say for this kind of easy anxiety and you beating down my back
Yeah,
every minute.
and
You're not
you
ready,
get-
you're not
you get
ready, you're not
upset.
ready.
All right, so this is the same as us saying okay in an argument.
Okay. Anyways, next.
Easy anxiety.
Next. Okay, right. If you turn up to my work unannounced,
Well,
What? It depends. Why are you doing it? It depends. I need the context because if it's madness you come in with, then that is a red flag. But suppose you come in to bring me like lunch or one
a
gift.
birthday surprise, you know?
but how you gonna know what we want to eat? You have to call and tell me, say,
No,
hey, I'd like to get you lunch.
That's
And
not
then I
unannounced
say,
if I
alright,
call
fine.
you. It's unannounced if I
And
call
it
you.
depends on how long we're talking. Because if I just know you and you just show up at my workplace, that
Because I'm trying to woo you. This is the courtship. I'm trying to
So you
sweep.
just turn up at my-
I'm trying
So,
to
but
sweep
if-
you off
No,
your
but if I'm
feet.
in my dating phase and I'm also dating at work, right? And you come there, come pronounce yourself as
Of course.
person of
Establish
interest.
my
And
dominance.
me having
So
one
everybody-
cubicle around there, so next person of interest.
No.
Yeah, mess up my vibe,
But-
yeah, mess up my game.
But me can't.
That's a red flag.
Me
Yeah.
try to sweep you up your feet. I mean, for
Thank
me,
you.
it's not
Next.
a red or a green flag because I can't show up on my workplace.
Next.
Security escort you.
Sit here. My friend wants to talk to you. She's cute.
Red flag.
I have to ask Christ. Don't have to ask me about it. It's a red flag.
Your friend don't have work. Your friend don't have a mouth. Your friend don't have.
No,
foot.
I'm shy.
Your friend
I'm
can't
shy.
walk.
You know what I call
Oh,
it?
so you know what's gonna happen? And me and your friend going to talk. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, you shy.
Your friend shy.
Yeah, me and you.
And you, me
will
like,
come. The
no.
messenger will
Yeah,
come.
we nobody like
You
your
and me
friend.
will talk. Right.
But you
so-
know, that's sometimes a trick though. Sometimes a trick.
Oh, that's a trick.
Yeah,
so them
man.
say.
We would know that.
No, I know you're not gonna know that. So most of the times you meet a woman and you say, "Yeah, my friend shy." No, you're not talking to the friend, you talk to me, but I mean like you.
Yeah, that's a major red flag.
That's
And
sykes,
I get that in high school, but in an
You're
adult stage.
you're starting the thing as a lie.
True.
Because you tell me say a friend
True.
like me, but
Red
I
flag,
you.
red flag.
Me
Debbie,
not like
where's
that.
Debbie's? Where's Debbie's
Red
red flag?
flag.
No, bring up Debbie red flag, please, me a big one.
My red flag come up already.
It come already?
Yes. The office.
Have all sort of stop sign and everything. This wrong.
Why you undecided, so? What I'm saying, why you on the fence?
I don't understand.
Why you on the fence doing? I don't understand. Like, give me the scenario. Give me the
Because
scenario.
I've been on both sides right already. So I understand where I come from.
What do you mean? Like, what do you
you
mean?
need to know-
I was
Explain.
in college, you know?
And you and the person live together.
Yeah,
when
but-
we were formally together.
Yeah, but
No longer together. But
Yeah.
you're still living together.
So we-
But you're not just friends.
it's you.
You can't move. You shouldn't be dating
could come out
till
of-
she move out of your
No,
place.
but me can't come out of the lease.
Red flag.
Me can't come out of the lease. Me not have
Then
money.
you
Well,
can't
don't
find
date.
somewhere else to
Me
go
can't
stay.
live nowhere.
You're not a family.
Me not
not
for-
a friend.
Wait, me not for date while me in the house same way?
Don't date, cause me not like that.
No,
Anis.
me can't come live with you then.
Anis, thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome.
Definitely some red flags out there. A lot. Stay woke. Keep your eyes open, everyone. There are some red flags that are green and some green flags that are red.
Yeah.
Here's our second
And
video.
if it don't feel right to you, it's your gut telling you it's a red flag.
It's a red flag. Here's our second video pic.
Exactly.
Medicine.
Thank you, Anis.
Love.
You're welcome.
Some red flags.
Yeah, man.